Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you have screen flickering problems on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. The first thing you may want to look at is to go into Settings, here go into Display, and try turning Adaptive Brightness off and then back on again. However, if you had it turned off, you could try just changing your brightness, try setting it to maximum, to minimum, and then somewhere in between to try and help it reset. You could try resetting dark mode or turning it on in the first place, changing the display refresh rate settings to maybe try to reset it all. Another thing you may try would be to turn screen timeout to a different value, set it higher, set it lower, although setting it might require you to put in your password. Just try to change it. Or you could turn on flicker prevention, which should keep the screen from flickering in dark environments, but as it says, it might cause screen noise and color distortion. But if you turn it on and the problem disappears, then it should be great. Another thing you may want to look at would be to simply restart your phone. To do so, press the power button and the volume up button at the same time, and then choose restart. Or you may want to boot into safe mode to see if maybe it's one of your apps causing the problem. To do that, simply in this menu, press and hold either the power off or the restart option. You will have to unlock, and then you can reboot into safe mode by confirming. You'll have to wait a little bit for it to turn back on. Once your phone turns back on with the safe mode text in the bottom left corner, you can try going in and seeing if the screen flashing issue still persists. If, however, going into safe mode caused the problem to disappear, that would mean one of your recently installed apps could be causing the issue, in which case you'll have to return to normal mode and start uninstalling your apps. If, however, going into safe mode did not fix your issue, that might mean that there is some other thing at play. Now, to exit safe mode, simply go into the menu by pressing the power and volume up, and then just restart your phone. Again, you'll have to wait, of course. Now, of course, once your phone turns back on, you can try uninstalling your recently installed apps to see if that fixes the problem. You could try to look if you have any system updates. To do so, go into Settings, scroll down to System Updates, and then check for updates. For that, you will need to have Wi-Fi enabled or other forms of connection. As you can see, it's going to check for updates, but if it doesn't check, you can try clicking it again. Then the next thing you may want to try would be to install a screen dimmer app. It could possibly help out, although you will need to log in to use the Play Store. So in the Play Store, you want to search up for some app like a dimmer, and for example use something like darker screen filter. Wait for it to install, and then once you open it, it will require the ability to have accessibility settings. Then you can turn it on to make your screen darker, set the scale to whatever you want, And of course, if you had this app installed previously, this one could also be the issue of your problem in the first place. But using it might potentially help the issue be solved. And that's pretty much it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.